Hello. Thank you for calling Juniper and Oak. I'm Sam, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, the coffee table I bought from your company is damaged and I want to see how I can return it for a new one.
I'm sorry to hear that you received a damaged item. I can help you get this resolved. Before we get started, could you tell me your name?
Yes, it's Chris Wood.
Hi, Chris. Do you have the order number?
Sure, give me a minute. It's on the packing slip. Okay, it's JO-10532671.
Thank you. Give me a moment to look up this order. I see that you ordered the Stanley coffee table in dark mocha. Can you tell me what's wrong with this item?
When I was putting it together this morning, I saw that one of the legs was badly scratched on the outside edge. Um, I expect a little bit better for the money I paid, to be honest.
I understand. I'm sorry that we didn't meet your expectations. I'd like to get this fixed for you as quickly as possible. In this case, you don't need to return the item. Since it's only one of the legs that's damaged, I can send you a replacement leg. Will that work for you?
Oh, so I don't need to return the whole thing? That might work. How long will it take to receive the replacement?
I can expedite the shipment process at no cost to you. You can expect to receive the replacement part in a day or two. Would you like me to proceed with the replacement part order?
Yes, please.
Okay. Could you confirm your shipping address for me?
Sure, it's 1958 Spruce Creek Drive, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89135.
Thank you. Give me a moment to process this request.
Okay.
Okay, I've created a replacement part order for you. You should be receiving a text message with the order information shortly.
I just received it.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome, Chris. I'm glad that I was able to resolve this issue for you. Thank you for being a Juniper Note customer. Goodbye.